Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. In part 2 of our 2025 guide to researching vehicle reliability, we're going even deeper. Utilizing J.D. Power for dependability studies. J.D. Power is another authority in vehicle quality and dependability. They use a clear methodology to assess vehicle performance, primarily through two major studies. Vehicle Dependability Study, VDS. This study focuses on long-term reliability. It surveys original owners of 3-year-old vehicles. They report problems experienced over the past 12 months. This gives you insight into how a vehicle holds up after a few years of ownership. Initial Quality Study, IQS. The IQS measures short-term reliability. It looks at problems experienced by owners of new vehicles during their first 90 days of ownership. This study highlights manufacturing defects or design flaws that appear early on. J.D. Power presents its findings using Power Circle ratings. These ratings offer a quick visual guide to a model's performance in different categories, such as overall quality or dependability. Specific awards, like those for top-ranked models in a segment, signify strong performance based on their research. Consulting Edmunds and Kelly Blue Book, KBB, for owner reviews and industry insights. Edmunds and Kelly Blue Book, KBB, are great resources that combine expert opinions with feedback from actual car owners. They offer a balanced view, helping you understand both professional evaluations and real-world experiences. On both platforms, you'll find extensive owner reviews. When looking through these, focus on patterns rather than isolated incidents. If multiple owners report the same transmission issue or electronic glitch, that's a stronger indicator of a potential problem than a single complaint. You can often filter reviews by specific model years or mileage, which helps narrow your research. Both Edmunds and KBB also publish long-term test drive reports. These are articles written by their own experts. They drive vehicles for extended periods, sometimes for a year or more. These reports provide insights into aspects like durability, unexpected maintenance needs, and how well certain features hold up over time. This kind of first-hand account can be very valuable in understanding a vehicle's long-term reliability. Exploring manufacturer-specific reliability information. While third-party reviews offer a great starting point, truly understanding a vehicle's reliability means looking at information directly from the manufacturer or through official channels. This allows you to dig deeper into specific issues and how carmakers address them. It's about becoming a detective and finding the clues that tell the real story. Analyzing recalls and technical service bulletins, TSBs. When you are researching a car, official recalls and technical service bulletins, TSBs, are incredibly important. These documents highlight known issues that a manufacturer has acknowledged. You can find detailed information on the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, website, searching by VIN or make and model. A recall is a safety-critical issue. It means there is a defect that could pose a risk to safety, and the manufacturer must fix it for free. For example, a faulty airbag or a brake system problem would trigger a recall. Paying attention to recalls for a specific model can alert you to serious design or manufacturing flaws. Technical service bulletins, TSBs, are different. These are notices from the manufacturer to dealerships about common problems or repair procedures. While they are not safety recalls, TSBs are a goldmine for understanding typical non-safety issues. They might address things like a recurring rattling noise, an infotainment system glitch, or a specific engine code. TSBs can reveal prevalent problems that might impact your ownership experience and future repair costs, even if they aren't dangerous. Always check for TSBs on models you are considering. Understanding warranty coverage and extended warranty options. A manufacturer's standard warranty can tell you a lot about their confidence in a vehicle's durability. Generally, a longer or more comprehensive warranty suggests the company believes their product will last. Most new cars come with two main types of warranties. Bumper-to-bumper warranty. This covers almost everything on the car, from electrical systems to air conditioning, for a set period or mileage. It's the most comprehensive coverage. Powertrain warranty. This focuses on major mechanical components like the engine, transmission, and drivetrain. These are often the most expensive parts to repair. Reviewing warranty terms helps you understand what is covered and for how long. It also gives you an idea of when you might start paying for repairs yourself. You may also consider extended warranties. These are service contracts that cover repairs after the factory warranty expires. They can offer peace of mind, especially for models with known reliability concerns. However, extended warranties come with a cost, and it is important to weigh that against the likelihood and expense of potential future repairs. Sometimes, saving money for possible repair costs yourself is a better option than buying an extended warranty. Practical steps for researching a specific make and model. Now that you understand key reliability metrics and where to find general data, it's time to get specific. How do you apply this to the exact car you are considering? This section will walk you through the practical steps to dig into the reliability of a particular make and model, focusing on details that truly matter. Identifying common problems for specific model years. When you research a vehicle, remember that reliability can change a lot from one year to the next, even within the same generation. A fantastic 2018 model might have fixed issues common in the 2017 version. So, focus your search on the exact model year you're interested in. A simple search like, common problems, make model year, e.g., common problems Honda CR-V 2017, can reveal a lot. You'll often find articles, forums, and owner communities discussing widespread issues. Pay close attention to these discussions. Are people complaining about the same transmission problem? Are there recurring electrical glitches? This anecdotal evidence, when seen across many different sources, can highlight common weak points. Interpreting online forum discussions and owner communities. Online forums, like Reddit's car subreddits or dedicated model-specific forums, are treasure troves of real-world information. You'll find owners sharing their experiences openly, discussing everything from minor quirks to major failures. Here's how to use these forums effectively. Look for recurring themes. One person complaining about a strange noise might be an isolated incident. If dozens of owners are describing the same noise with similar solutions, that's a pattern. Search for long threads. If a thread about a specific problem has many replies and goes on for pages, it often indicates a widespread and persistent issue. See what solutions people are finding. Are there easy fixes, or do common problems require expensive repairs? This can give you an idea of potential future costs. These communities offer an unfiltered view of daily ownership. They can show you problems that might not appear in official reliability surveys until much later. The role of a pre-purchase inspection, PPI, in reliability assessment. Even with extensive online research, there's no substitute for a pre-purchase inspection, PPI. This is especially true if you are looking at a used vehicle. A PPI is a thorough check done by an independent, trusted mechanic. Think of it as a crucial final step to confirm your research. A skilled mechanic can uncover existing reliability issues that you might never spot yourself. They can identify worn components, fluid leaks, or error codes that point to deeper problems. They'll put the car on a lift, check its systems, and often take it for a test drive. It's smart to find a mechanic who specializes in the make or model you are considering. They will know the common trouble spots for that specific vehicle. A PPI can save you from buying a car that looks good on the surface but hides expensive problems. It's a small investment that offers huge peace of mind. Start your diligent research today and drive away with peace of mind. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.